Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Suppose if your photo has some watermark when you take pictures through camera of your phone, you can remove that. See here, I took a picture now, and I opened the picture that it took, and see in the bottom left side there is watermark. Okay, see here. If you don't want this watermark, yes, you can remove it. What you have to do is just go to the camera again, and go to the camera settings here, and go to watermark, and here turn off this button, and you will not have any watermark now. See here, I go to camera, and I take a picture of this, and open the picture that you took. Now there is no watermark. Okay, because it is turned off. So in this way you can easily remove camera watermark in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.